Hebei Hanna Technology Company Limited, for many years' development, have grown into a star company in powder coating field. From simple hand coating through to fully automated powder coating, we are capable of offering our clients perfectly cost-effective, reasonable, advanced solutions. With Hanna's proud technology, you will have your best painting device and system line. Hanna Company keeps impressive records on serving clients like small manufacturers, government projects, global corporations. Many projects finished all over the world, including Europe, Oceania, Middle East, Southeast Asia, Latin America, and Africa. Our main products include automated powder coating line, liquid painting line, e-coat line, pre-treatment system, fast automated color change equipment, powder coating booth, automatic conveying system, curing oven, powder spray gun, etc. All equipment is widely used in transportation facilities, household appliances, storage facilities, sports products, metal castings, engineering machinery, metal fabrication. Start from first design straight to shipment. We give help on installation and training job until your system ready to go. With Hanna's powerful team support, you would not have to worry. Hanna Company have obtained CE, SGS, and BV certificates, and more than 10 patent certificates. Get a strong team to rock your core, including coating system designers, powder and chemistry experts, control systems engineers, installation technicians, and experienced trainers. Help you work through all the details straight to your target. Thanks for your trust and support to Hanna.
High quality, best service.
Welcome to Hanna.